Okay, so I have absolutely no idea how to do this because I'm new and I have been planning to start this from a long time. But turns out I'm a big procrastinator.
Okay.
But I think I've been meaning to start doing YouTube for almost an year now. Yeah, what? 2026 is starting now. So, hi guys, I'm Chappy and I'm new to this, new to YouTube, not to this world. And newness can very clearly be seen here because even where to shoot, even to decide where to shoot was a big question mark in my head. And that's why I'm here on the terrace because I thought, okay, terrace will have the perfect lighting. I'll not have to worry about lighting. And even if I'm clueless, I'll have some view to look around. So, yeah. I've told you guys that I have been meaning to start this channel from a long time, and today is finally that day. Today, the time has finally come, and I think I should, mark today's date in some golden letters because finally some power from the universe pushed me to begin with it today. And I just wanted to, get there and pardon my nails. They look pretty horrible. And sometimes back they were just looking pretty and the horrible part was not in it. But 4 nails are gone, so they look pretty horrible now.
6.5 hours later.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Am I supposed to give my introduction here? Just sit down and give my introduction because from the past few months or past few weeks, I have been in this interviewee kind of situation a lot of times. So
I don't know whether I'm familiar with it. I don't even know whether I'm supposed to do this interview kind of thing. I guess I'm not supposed to do that. But yeah, so.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So there was this one more reason I think which made me procrastinate so much because I was like, what am I supposed to do? Especially for my first video, what am I supposed to do? What should I do? I was panicking so much that, okay, what? Am I just gonna sit here and give my introduction to all of you like that or just yap about it? And that, made me thinking in a loop that what? I thought, should I do some kind of makeup thingy or something? But no, I just thought that if I incorporated some other thing with my introduction video or like my first video today, I might have just procrastinated more. So I was like, let's keep it cash. Let's keep it casual. Yeah, I'm sorry for my cash thing.
Stop it. Get some help.
But yeah, I am getting a little awkward. So the major reason that the universe pushed me and I pushed myself finally to get here was a major life change. I also wanted that before that major life change comes my way, I can take all of you with me on that journey, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just used to think that, okay, why do people say that when you start a journey just like YouTube, everything seems cringe? And people say that when they look back on their initial days, everything seems cringe and awkward. But I don't even think that I'll have to look back. I don't even think that I'll have to look back at it. I am living that cringe right now. But okay, it's only cringe until it's not. So what all can I tell you guys about myself? I have green hair, as you can see before you all come at me and say some things about my hair. Yeah, I like coloring my hair, and you can see my Instagram as well. I'll just pin it down there. That I have had done various makeovers to my hair.
Like I've done blue, pink, red, purple, green, everything.
And the best part is I'm still not done with it. Just yesterday I was thinking, should I color it again? Is it that time? So yeah, that is one thing. That is something that you're gonna, keep on seeing changing constantly on my channel. So if few days later you see a red-haired girl or a pink-haired girl on this channel, just know that it's me, and I just changed my hair. So yeah, I should be just done with this video for now. I might just come up with something, some stories or some juicy gossip to tell you the next time I'm here. But right now I can't think of any, or it's just me trying to get out of this awkward phase, trying to get a little comfortable with this about that big change. I'm not gonna tell you right here. I'm gonna keep सब secret. अभी इसी वीडियो में सब कुछ बता दूंगी तो you'll not get that spice. So I'll keep you hooked. I'll keep you wondering that what changes that, so that you come back. I am new to YouTube, but I know how to trick. I am new to YouTube, but I know how to trick. I'm not just gonna sit here and disclose everything and say everything in just this single video and make a clown of myself. I think for now I should just keep it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you do subscribe to my channel, and I'll also tag my Instagram over here somewhere so that you can follow me over there as well. Yeah. So until the next video where you can see me get awkward again. No, it's gonna get better. I'm not gonna keep on getting that awkward all the time. So yeah, do subscribe and all the love to you. Bye bye.